Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Vishnupriya's Creativity. Today we will talk on the topic 30 amazing uses of coconut oil. Coconut oil is a superfood with a wide variety of healthy advantages, hair and skin uses and uses in the home. Coconut oil is the richest oil we could even think of. It offers us a variety of benefits like cooking, cleaning, in cosmetic at large, and even medical facilities for our pets. Coconut oil boosts off about 51% of lauric acid, which goes into the body through the pores easily. This lauric acid contains great antibacterial and antifungal elements. These all properties just make the coconut oil a vibrant resource for anyone who puts it to use effectively. So the first amazing uses of coconut oil is helps to cure wounds faster. To speed healing of minor cuts or scrapes, apply a little bit of coconut oil directly to the wound and cover it with a bandage. So the second one is improve brain function. Coconut oil contains medium chain triglycerides MCTs. The MCTs in coconut oil are broken down by our liver and turned into ketones, which can act as a alternative energy source for our brain. The third one is increase our metabolism. Coconut oil contains medium chain triglycerides MCTs. These are fatty acids that are quickly absorbed and can increase the number of calories we burn. The fourth one is improves our dental health. Coconut oil helps to combat unpleasant acid breath and dental issues. We need to rinse our mouth often with a considerable amount of coconut oil every morning and perhaps after our dinner before brushing our teeth at night. The fifth one is increase our good HDL cholesterol. Coconut oil contains natural saturated fats that increase HDL, good cholesterol level in our body. It also turns LDL, bad cholesterol, into a less harmful form. By increasing HDL, coconut oil may boost heart health compared with many other fats. So the sixth one is boost bone health. The antioxidants in coconut oil protect bone health by neutralizing free radicals which can damage bone cells. The seventh one is helps to mitigate itching and bites from insects. If ever bitten by a bee or bed bugs, just a reasonable amount of coconut oil across that place could reduce the pain of the sting or bite. Eighth one is natural deodorant. As coconut oils have strong antibacterial properties, it makes it a great natural deodorant that contains no chemical. The ninth one is helps relieve scratchy throat. Coconut oil helps a dry and scratchy throat. Just gulp down a small portion of coconut oil or mix it in a tea. The tenth one is decrease hunger and food intake. The MCT in coconut oil help reduce hunger, leading to spontaneous decrease in calorie intake. 11th one is it smoothens our skin. Coconut oil help us to smoothen our skin. We need to mix coconut oil with equal parts of sugar and it is a great body scrub. It gives us a desired moisturized skin. The 12th one is maintain good scalp health and hair. Coconut oil helps to condition the scalp and hair. Rub some quantity into the scalp, it keeps it moisturized and fight dandruff also. 13th one is coconut oil helps our cuticles. A thorough application of coconut oil helps our cuticles. It keeps the nails soft, silk and tidy. The 14th one is relieve symptoms of arthritis. The antioxidants called polyphenols found in coconut oil relieves some symptoms of arthritis and also swelling. The 15th one is it serves as a makeup remover. Coconut oil is very useful way of cleaning thick and heavy makeup of our face. The 16th one is improve liver health. The saturated fats in coconut oil help protect our liver from damage due to alcohol or toxin exposure. The 17th one is it prevents and cure chafing of the skin. Coconut oil helps prevent chafing and as well as cure it. It assists baby to get rid of diaper rashes. The 18th one is used to treat cold sores. Coconut oil has some antiviral elements that has to great deal of treating cold sores. Just apply coconut oil in the affected area. 19th one is it helps to stop nosebleed. Coconut oil helps us to keep our nosebleed in check. Just a small percentage of oil in cotton wool and stroke it gently inside the nostril. It keeps moisturize the nose from bleeding too. 20th one is mitigates wrinkles in the body. Coconut oil contains antioxidant that protects the body against wrinkles. Rub a considerable amount of coconut oil on the face every night before going to bed. It helps reduces wrinkles. The 21 is puts our pets' health in great condition. The coconut oil assists to conditioning of the fur of our pets. It makes them look healthier and brimming. 22 is it lubricates small motor. We can also lubricate our motors by coconut oil. Chains of our bikes and the lawn mower could be lubricated by application of coconut oil. 23 is prevents rust and decay. Coconut oil also helps to keep our tools from rusting and assist them in cleaning our metals, conditioning them to in a great shape. 24th is peels of gums and adhesives from surfaces. Coconut oil also helps us to get rid of some elements like gums and adhesives. Just apply coconut oil and rub gently with a cloth. 25th is helps to keep our cookware in great shape. Coconut oil helps to keep the kitchen cookware in great condition. This is treat leathers. Coconut oil is a great treatment for leathers. Rubbing a proportionate amount of it on our leather refurbishes it. It would not fade off or worn out. It gives a shining to it. 27 is helps to control squeaky hinges. A thorough application of coconut oil to squeaky hinges maintains it. It is economical and natural. It helps to maintain our furniture. Furniture is likely to easily worn off over a short space of time if not properly maintained. We may polish the furniture by rubbing some portion of coconut oil on the sensitive parts of the furniture. The hands and the edges, which are most visible part, would probably not stand the test of time. It keeps it beautiful, fresh and newer. 29 is used for cooking. The most prominent uses of coconut oil is its edibility features. It has a lot of nutritional properties and keeps the fat in our body regulated. 30th is quick energy source. The medium chain triglyceride fatty acids present in coconut oil are digested easily and it from our gut to liver and can be used as a quick source of energy that won't raise blood sugar levels. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you all like this. Kindly subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you.